Hello, students. As today is the first day of our academic session 2023-24, I would like to introduce your syllabus of physics of the session 23-24 to you all for class 12th. For class 11th, I have just made one and I have uploaded. For class 12th, the syllabus is going to be like this. This time there is no reduction of topics. As in previous sessions, there were certain disturbances, delays in result publishing. So syllabus was reduced, but this time syllabus is not reduced. It is a full syllabus now, and in this syllabus sheet, both class 11th and 12th syllabus is mentioned. So I'll just come to class 12th one. The first chapter is, or the first unit is electrostatics, in which you will learn about static charges or charges at rest, and you will learn about the electric field potential, capacitance, and concepts related with that. Then in unit 2, you will learn about current electricity. You will find that each of these chapters can be completed in a span of 2 weeks to 3 weeks time. So you need to be present in each of every classes. Then third unit is magnetic effect of current and magnetism. The fourth unit is electromagnetic induction and alternating currents. Each of these topics are interwoven and interlinked with one another. So if you miss one of the chapters, you will not be able to develop good concept in the next chapter. So please be present in each of these classes. The fifth one is electromagnetic waves, and sixth one is optics. In optics, the maximum number of periods are required. 30 periods are required. So it will take around 3 to 4 weeks. Then comes dual nature and radiation of matter. In this chapter, there will be use of the atomic structure of atom. Little bit of knowledge of chemistry will be required. Then unit 3 or unit 8 is going to be very easy for you because you will have its basic from the chemistry chapter. Similarly, in chemistry, there is a topic called as solid states, and from that there is a small portion semiconductor. So the same topic is over here itself, but here you have to learn about the circuits, the NPN junction, PNP junction, and all. So these topics are very interesting, and theoretically, the weightage of the syllabus is 70 marks and 30 marks of practical will be there. Practicals are divided into 2 semesters, section A and section B. So 60 periods are required, out of which 30 marks will be given. So see, as in section A, you can see that in the first 6 months, you will be able to find the resistivity and you will be able to plot the graph related with the potential difference and the current. Then resistance of the wire, you will have to find out using a meter bridge. Then law of combination of series and parallel combination, all that you have to do. Then law of combination of parallel resistance using meter bridge. Determination of resistance of galvanometer by half deflection method to find its figure of merit. To convert the given galvanometer into voltmeter of desired range. To convert given galvanometer into ammeter of desired range. To find frequency of AC mains with a sonometer. Based on section A, there are a few activities which you have to do. This will develop your concept. You have to measure resistance, impedance of a conductor with or without iron core. You have to measure resistance and voltage of AC current or DC current and check continuity of the current using multimeter. To assemble household circuit comprising 3 bulbs with on-off switches, a fuse and a power source. To assemble components of a given electric circuit. To study the variation of potential drop of length of wire at a steady current. To draw the diagram, open circuit and comprising the list of a battery, resistor. So you have to take all the components, electrical components, and then you have to join them to make a circuit. Then in section B, the practical is mostly based on optics, in which you have to find out the distance of object from the lens and the mirror. You have to find out the focal length. So these will be there. Experiments with prism will be there. And then some experiments with semiconductor like PN junction diode in forward and reverse bias will be there. In activities, that means the projects, you have to identify the diode, LED, a resistor, capacitor. These things will be given to you. You have to identify which component has been given to you. You can also make some project based on these LEDs. You can make dancing light. If you make dancing light and you show it to your external examiner, he will be very happy and will be asking you questions about the variable resistance and all. So all these things you will learn in the theories, and after learning in theory, we'll be doing the practicals. So these are going to be very helpful if you go for your electrical engineering in your next class, or if you go for any optics related career in your near future. So these all topics are going to be helpful in your engineering classes next year. So please be regular and perseverant. Do not miss any of the classes, and you will come up with the flying colors. All the best for the new academic session. Thank you, everyone. I will be putting up the short videos of each of these topics so that you can get the crux of the matter, and you can also do good self-study in case if you miss any of the physical classes in detail. Thank you.